Ever wanted to build your own smart gadget? Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of do-it-yourself artificial intelligence electronics projects. Imagine the thrill of crafting your own smart gizmos, not only saving your hard-earned cash, but also gaining invaluable skills along the way. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from creating something yourself, especially when it's a gadget that can think. So, if you've ever dreamed of creating your own smart gadget, this video is for you. Before you start building your smart device, there are a few things you'll need. First and foremost, a basic understanding of electronics is essential. This includes knowing how to work with circuits, resistors, and capacitors, among other components. Next, you'll need a microcontroller board. Raspberry Pi or Arduino are popular choices due to their versatility and robust online communities. These boards are the brain of your smart gadget, interpreting data from sensors and making decisions. Speaking of sensors, you'll need those too. Depending on your project, you might need temperature sensors, motion sensors, light sensors, or even more specialized ones. They provide the input for your AI to react to. And lastly, you'll need some coding skills. Python and C++ are commonly used in these projects. Don't worry if you're not an expert coder. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn. With these tools and skills, you're ready to start building your own smart gadget. Now let's dive into the process of building a DIY AI electronics project. Step 1. Choosing your project idea. This is where your creativity comes into play. You might want to build a smart home device, a weather station, or perhaps an AI-powered robot. The possibilities are endless. Just remember to choose a project that matches your skill level and interests. Step 2. Gathering the necessary components. Depending on your project, the components may vary.